What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello, I'm Destiny Taylor. Don't forget to subscribe before you dip out. So, as you guys can see from the title, I am doing a wig transformation into this hot red orange ombre color using the watercolor method. So let's get into it. The three colors that I am using are from Adore. I'll be using Crimson, Sunrise Orange, and Truly Red. Now, I don't know what was going on with the Sunrise Orange and the Truly Red, but I really only got the pigment that I usually get with Adore from the Crimson color. Not sure what was going on. But first I'm going to start with a smaller bowl, and I'm starting with this because I want a concentrated color, and I'm filling it with boiling hot water. And now I'm going to proceed to squeezing in quite a bit of this crimson color and mix my little concoction. I'm going to repeat these two steps until I achieve the desired opaqueness I'm going for. I want this color to be very opaque so I can get a nice concentrated color, and that's important because usually when you do these watercolor colorings, the color will come out very pastel, and I want this top shade to be true to color as much as possible. So now I'm just placing my wig in there and using some, what are these called? Tongs? Yes, tongs. Using some tongs to make sure I have all of my hair saturated in this little mix. All these smudges on my phone are really making my heart jump out right now. I need to clean it off. So now that we've taken our hair out of the bowl, we're just going to repeat that process just because I didn't really get the opaqueness that I wanted in that first round. So repeating the entire process, adding color, mixing it up, waiting another 5 minutes, and now I'm taking that baby out because it is hot fire red, and we can move this bowl out of the way and bring in that big tub that everyone always uses. So I'm filling it with hot water, and I'm squeezing pretty much all of that sunrise orange color into the plastic tub and just placing my wig in it, using a spoon to mix the hair around, waiting another 5 minutes, and repeating that step. So I repeated this 3 times, twice with the sunrise orange, and then when I went in the 3rd time, I put in the Truly Red color. So after letting the hair sit for 15 minutes, it's time to cleanse and condition the hair. I'm using these 2 products from Moroccanoil's Color Continue line. You want to make sure you use a mild shampoo because a harsh shampoo will strip the watercolor, and we don't want all that hard work and materials to go to waste. And you also want to use a moisturizing conditioner because your hair will feel gritty and dry if you don't, and that'll just suck. We want our hair to be nice, gorgeous, and flowy so we can really show off this amazing color we just did ourselves. Don't you just feel like a Renaissance woman when you make a wig or you color a wig or cut it and style it? I know I do. It's the best feeling ever. So after washing the excess color out and conditioning, this is how the wig looks, and it's so amazing. This is my first time doing watercolor and my first time doing a 2-toned color period, and it came out really well, and I'm so proud of myself. So now we can go into customizing the wig. Of course, we got to get that hairline right and tight. So you can see the process. It's the normal process of what everyone usually does. Mine isn't as structured. Sometimes I'll like make parts and then tweeze behind the part, and sometimes I just do this where I just, you know, go in and get to plucking. So here's how the hairline looks, and it was really good, guys. Really good. So now that we have the hairline plucked, it's time to go in and style. I actually need to cut the end, so the first thing that I am going to do is straighten the hair. So this is a hand sewn wig that I made myself. Thumbs this video up if you would like to see the video on that. The hair that I used is from an AliExpress vendor, CYNOSURE. I used a 20-inch frontal, a 22-inch bundle, and two 24-inch bundles of their 613 body wave hair to create this unit. I have all of the links to the hair as well as the other products that I use in this video down below in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. This hair from CYNOSURE is affordable, and I haven't been receiving much shedding, which is really difficult to find with platinum blonde hair. The only thing I can say is the hair is easily weighed down by product, and the color actually made the hair feel a little sticky, but I added some dry shampoo to combat that, and now it feels really good and I love it. So now I'm just going in with quite a bit of dry shampoo to really absorb some of those oils that are sitting in the hair. You could definitely see when I straightened the hair out that it was very oily, and in some parts it was sticky. Oh, I forgot to mention that I did use a heat protectant from Drybar before I straightened the hair, and again, all of the products that I use in this video are down below in the description bar. I highly suggest that you guys get dry shampoo if you wear body wave, straight, or some type of loose wave hair, because it will just save your life. It adds texture, it adds body, and it just makes the hair look more natural, and it makes it more maintainable. And if you like to heat style your hair with curls like I do, the dry shampoo will actually help hold your curls all day long. It's really awesome. Shout out to my friend Bree for giving me that tip. So now I'm just going in and giving the hair a slight trim because the ends are, I wouldn't say they're thin, but they were looking a tad bit stringy. I personally would have installed one more bundle just because I like my hair very thick, but it still turned out very nice. Now I'm going in with my favorite wand. It's by the Drybar. It's linked down below in the description bar, and I am adding in some nice loose curls. This is my favorite curling wand. It gets hot like with the snap of the finger, and it just does a really great job of curling the hair, and it makes it so easy and quick. Oh my god, this is so satisfying. I'm just gonna watch this clip over and over again. Look at that color, look at that shine, and look at those curls. So now I'm going in and I'm adding some more dry shampoo just to pull up some more of the oils that are sitting within the hair, and I'm adding a tad bit of my Pantene Super Hold hairspray to really help these curls stay in place. And ooh, I just cannot get over all of this lusciousness. So before we move on, I forgot while I was customizing the front, I forgot to add my baby hair, so I'm just going in and thinning out that hairline a tad bit more, and I'm going to cut in some baby hairs. Now, I discovered something new about myself. I do not like baby hairs with the wig anymore, like the laid swoops baby hairs with the wigs. So now I do cut baby hairs, but I'm going to do a very soft lay, and I find that the soft lay looks very natural and it's more flattering, and my installs last longer without looking really crusty because I don't have to put all that gel on my hairline. Just a tip. So I'm just molding those baby hairs with some wrapping foam from Cream of Nature. Again, I want a soft lay, so I'm not going to use any gel, and I'm going to lay them down with this scarf so I can make sure they're nice and formed. When I apply the wig later, they're not going to look like this, but they will be formed, meaning that it'll be easier to brush them down because they've been set, so they know which way they should lay, if that makes sense. Now I'm just going in with my dry hands and pulling out those curls. I know a lot of people are like, oh my god, why would you do that? But I just really love this beachy body wave look. I wouldn't say I'm not too big of a fan of the defined curls look, but that's the look. That's not a look that I've been going for. I've been loving these like natural, loose body type of waves. And as you guys can see, I don't play. I love this dry shampoo. Just adding some dry shampoo so I can get some more body and texture at the top. Again, dry shampoo is key if you do not want flat, super shiny hair. So this is me next day. Hey, what's up? So I'm using a little bit of Got To Be Glued gel, and I'm actually going to put on 2 stocking caps. I don't know, I saw someone do this in a video, and you know, I have like a lot of stocking caps, so I was like, okay, I'm going to do that too. So I put a light one on and then one that's closer to my skin complexion, and now I'm putting on my Got To Be Glued gel. Now I'm not putting on a whole lot just because I only want this install to last me for today. I'm not planning on wearing this wig tomorrow. And once I have that gel on, I'm going to take this gorgeous glitter dry bar blow dryer. I love dry bar, guys, and just make sure my wig gets tacky. And now I'm just going in with my fingers and placing this wig down. Now, as you can see, I did not apply a lot of glue, well, gel onto my forehead, my hairline, whatever. So I did not need a bunch of tools to lay my wig down. I could just, you know, just press it down. And now I am putting 2 scarves around the hairline just so the glue can really set and my wig will be nice and secured. So yeah. Ta-da! So now that I have that off, I'm just going in with a comb and brushing off the excess gel that is on my scalp. This happens all the time. If this happens to you, just brush your hair off of the gel very gently. And now I'm taking a cotton ball with a little bit of alcohol and I'm just cleaning up my hairline and getting that excess gel off so it's not looking all crusty. So now that our hairline is cleaned up, I'm just taking a brush, and again, I'm just doing that soft way that I was talking about earlier. And I actually did add a tad bit of a flaxseed jojoba oil gel to the hairline on this side just so I can get a tad bit more hold, but again, I did not use a super holding gel. And voila, this is the color, this is the install. I'm not going to lie, I was like, oh hell no when I put this wig on, just because it's so different. But as the day went on, I did end up loving it. Follow me on Instagram so you can see really how this color came out. It came out so nicely. It looks a bit more pastel just because of the settings on my camera, but it is a very like deep red and a very nice orange. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. If you love this color, thumbs this video up, and if you don't, still thumbs this video up so we can, you know, keep trying new things. And also let me know down below in the comments what you think of this install. So yeah, peace out, guys. I'll chat with you later. Peace and love.